Good morning. A fantastic concept, appreciation, and a benevolent interpretation uh, for women empowerment, and particularly the the services of woman as a wife was considered deeply, not with the transformation of situations, but which was prevailing for years together, decades together. Uh, Normally, when the women were asked, "What are you doing?" they simply say, "Housewife." That was totally given no importance. But after this judgment of Supreme Court, the housewife must be considered as one of the employment and most unavoidable employment for the uh, head of the family, husband, father-in-law, brother-in-law, brothers, children, grandchildren. It's such a fantastic judgment how to calculate the compensation for a woman and a child. And there was variation of judgment about the child. When 9-month child was subject to a victim of road accident, the Supreme Court view was something different. But here, in given case, the age of the child who is going to school at the time of collapse uh, under road accident. AR 2020 Supreme Court 3144. Rajendra Singh and other National Insurance Company, Section 166. Compensation, death claim, deceased housewife aged 30 years, income assessed at 5,000 per month, 40% added towards future prospects, 1/4 deducted towards personal expenses, multiple of 17 applied, rupees 1 lakh awarded towards loss of consortium, 25,000 funeral expenses, deceased being passenger not liable towards contributory negligence. Total compensation 11 lakh 96 was ordered. Deceased student aged 12 years, income assessed at 36,000 per annum, 50% deduct towards personal expenses, multiplier of 15 applied, 25,000 award towards funeral, deceased being present. So total amount 2,95,000 ordered. See, this is the fantastic case. So I would take you the uh, the contributing negligence was denied because this mother and girl was traveling in a horse cart on some religious social function. At that resulted accident, the claim of the other side was that the cart was road on mid of the road. Therefore, they attributed contributory negligence, and the lower tribunal has accepted that, but the Supreme Court has said there was no absolutely contributory negligence because they are only passengers, no contributory negligence for the passengers. They say in Lata Wadava versus State of Bihar 2001 SC 1238, maybe they have said, considering the multifarious services rendered by housewives, even on a modest estimation, the income house between the age of 34 to 59 must be 36,000 per annum. Then woman 62 years to 72 must be 20,000 per annum. Then Arun Kumar Agarwal's National Insurance Company, housewife 5,000 per month without rational reasoning that he was non-earning member, reduces him to 2,500. Then they have said, see, the observation, finding, and praise and laurels contributed to this housewife was there at paragraph 26. paragraph 10. You see, uh, India have recognized the contribution made by wife, which is invaluable, cannot be computed in terms of money. They say gracious services by the wife with true love and affection to the children and her husband, managing the household affairs, cannot be equated with the services rendered by others. She say, throughout the day and night, unless she is employed or is required to attend the employer work for particular hours, she take care of all requirement of the husband and children. That's what they say. The housekeeper or maid servant can do the household work such as cooking food, washing clothes, keeping etc. But she can never be substitute the wife. This was they say. The husband and children was being attended by the service of the wife cannot be quantified by amount. Therefore they say 5,000. Then they have also referred R.K. Malik versus Kiran Lal 2009 SC 2507. They say about the child of 12 years must be also compensated. Income of minor girls is incapable of precise fixation. We find no reason to interfere with the assessed notional income of the second deceased. That is the girl. That was they say. R.K. Malik versus Kiran Paul case. AR 2009 SC 2506. Then in New India Assurance Company was Satyendra. AR 2007 SC 320. Deceased victim accident was 9-year-old school going children. Therefore they have fixed it. Then they say the future prospects must also be considered. Then they, while referring Gajal case, victim actually was a 9-month-old child whose disability certificate reflected that she would grow up to the adult, lying on the bed with the physical and biological attributes of a woman, attaining adulthood. So that was distinguishable. So Gajal case was distinguishable with the present case. Therefore the Supreme Court has guidelined by praising the women's services to the family. So hereafter, every housewife should be proud that their services were consolidated, at least to the some extent. So you should concentrate that if any woman dies, if suppose she is working as a maid in some other, you can still claim double the compensation. One as being the mother services to the children in the family, and the other one her income. So you can add that income also, and you can claim compensation on that score. Kindly develop your innovation thoughts, clubbing one after another judgment. Because nowadays probably you may be at least some hours leisure at home due to this pandemic SOP regulations. Go through these sort of judgments and go through the facts and the ratios, and particularly this judgment, whenever any research scholars wanted to write women empowerment, you can also concentrate about this. It is not necessary that a woman can contribute as a finance minister, home ministers, or defense minister, external minister, defense minister, but maintaining the family, keeping them healthy, hale, and as safeguarding the children, even they are teaching the basic languages, how to behave with others, all as a tutor, as a professor, within four corners of the family. Even if she is literate, she may have abundant knowledge of social events, social behavioral science, and healthy doctorate guidelines because of her experience in the society, even if she was brought up in a small village. Therefore, kindly write article on this woman empowerment citing this judgment. Best wishes.